and welcome to Polymer Update. This is Simran Choudhary and you're watching Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Simran Masterbatch Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices marched higher last Friday to its highest level this year as OPEC-led supply cuts coupled with last week's announcement of a higher than expected cut by Saudi Arabia encouraged investors to buy. Brent finished at $66.25, a sharp rise of $1.68 per barrel, while WTI traded at $55.59, a gain of $1.18 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were firming early Monday in Asia, still under an upward momentum that saw them settle close to 3 months high on Friday. The bullish sentiment is being driven principally by two factors: a surge in optimism over a US-China trade deal and a growing number of chokeholds on crude supply on top of the voluntary cuts being implemented by OPEC and its non-OPEC allies. Open spec naphtha prices also gained by $5 per metric ton to the $525 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices galloped sharply higher in Asia. Last week, prices spiked on the back of persistent tight product availability across the Asian region. The sharp price rise was further supported by firmer upstream crude and naphtha values. CFR Northeast Asia prices were assessed up at the $1,170 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week surge of $85 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed higher at the $1,065 per metric ton mark, a spike of $80 per metric ton from the previous week. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today, on February 18, 2019. LLDPE prices are higher by 105 RMB per metric ton at 8,550 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are higher by 82 RMB per metric ton at 8,690 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are up by 20 RMB per metric ton at 6,435 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Shanghai SECO has brought on stream its 400,000 metric ton per year HDPE plant located at Shanghai in China on February 15, 2019, following an unplanned shutdown. The plant remained shut for around 3 days owing to technical issues. Polymer Update has introduced news and price analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kind of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymer Update. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Simran Masterbatch Private Limited, a manufacturer, wholesaler and distributor of color master batches, PE master batches, blow film master batches, color granules, lamination, multi-layer lamination, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, February 18th. I am Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.